My World Cup national here and is very earnest. Norway did Norway this is not a Norway of 1991 and 95 when they won the World Cup now, and it's investment. I don't know if Shika and Shema a bit difficult for you to get the needed results consistently. Also, China do the same thing. China is your Mobreha, so it's unfortunate, but it's good news for a host nation winning a first game. Good news for you. So, a bomber basso that they've been able to win that, and a big coin for the Women World Cup, which is going to be very, very World Cup. Be in 2019 because a lot of emerging teams about who are doing very well before your established ones. No, now, African teams, Morocco, South Africa, Nigeria is unfortunate. So Nigeria, group group netting. The Canada is big. Over the last 12 years, they've been top class. Youth under 20 senior, and almost share Sweden or Olympic Games. And before then, they've been consistent. 2012, 2016 bronze. So, and I almost spending a lot of money developing Canada, Ghana for 22, Ghana for under 17 and 20 off the Canadian junior national team. So, we are very serious first record. Nigeria going into the tournament and okay, federation that is another problem. And then assistant at girlfriend back. Also I'm back on be. And can say one here. And so I'm expecting say me be the captain, extraordinary midfielder, brilliant player.
Let me girlfriend Zubai, Francis Odega.
And then yes, and Chiamaka and Zozi, the goalkeeper.
Yes.
2019 was exceptional. So they have a team to deliver, but unfortunately they are in a group where it will be difficult for them. The opening game, no, Enko Yemomo.
Is the captain now.
Yes, the captain. And Enko Yemomo.
So no Diesel para knows here.
Aye.
Or a part of the squad.
No, Wapra.
Yeah. Those are fan.
Very, very creative.
Black question of women.
Many apostle cried the uncle. Black Queens gives you born.
How many times I show Muda in the meetings? How many times I show Muda? Maminko. So
England for crown is here. Now,
Mayfield. Look, the Nigerian team, African, they are very good. Tournament team, but Omangaza Modibon and Kuyi, since 91, Ghana they are 99. They mean the quarterfinals 1999 lost to Brazil. That's all. Because I do this level is a different ball game altogether.
Yes.
And I don't see them doing well in that group because it's Australia, Ireland, made in a debut. So, but Australia, Canada is too, and Canada accept Nigeria team is Australia. Sorry, I say, but unfortunately, you do all my girls many in the home. So, it will be difficult for Nigeria to qualify from that group, just like African teams in Yunano. But round of 16, you try say unbedicted. Also, we are playing 32 nation tournament from 24 until at least 4 best. Third best to be 4. Until making sure at least if for nothing at all, try and be. Or there no Pedro be Australia. It's possible for them to get to the next stage of the competition. It's possible. It's Zambia, this is their first time. Bruce Mwepe, coach, why we guess this? Oh. But it's in FIFA. Oh yes, I mean America. Why we Colano? Why we Omupa? But on one mama qualify history. No mama. And FIFA investigating. Or when you FIFA investigating, Tiamunya farm by. Now, Barbara Banda, under the maestro of the team. Nyansa ball, say a train, ma pass, drop it deep, link up play, ball shot. She's very good. Oh, you're only Germany friendly, no 3-2 no. Barbara Banda, or you're top player, or in Bobo. Now, Grace Chanda, captain, no. Oh, she's the maestro of the team. Even though Barbara, far. So, Zambia, Spain, Japan. It's another challenge, difficult for them for a group. No? Spain, Japan 2011. In fact, Japan 2011 they were champions. 2015 they were runners up. So a bit difficult. Spain, so they are playing so well. Costa Rica, and so and like I said once again, let's try to say third place. No, third place and not other third place. No performance, no points. So also sanity na Morocco Emma Almoko as officiating officials. And once again, Fatia Jemima, she's leading the charges. And for me,
some passports.
On Maya, and yes, Sebio. Sure. And yes, Sebio. Sebi. Born what they've done, we're deliberate policy. Okay, some call the Wemo.
Some passports.
Okay, some call Chan.
Pa.
Now, Adia Federation, I say, what decided say, a man, member matches, say, member did too much to us on man best back home.
Wow.
That was the policy for us like I had buy. And tia mama no be brave, GDA, mapa, and then ye ding. And tia ne you call Mawa Kappa, you were almost 3 references, almost 3, and echo. And beyond that, I did back also on my ass and bomb say. On my making sure say major car finance and to the Tron Cup FA Cup for Morocco. When they got the last year, RS Bekande work of Morocco.
A man on the Kudi.
Said do car finance. Do you know what that means? Or court World Cup tournament where a simple man.
We all know Manchester and the more than what do awards, you know.
Only fancy raw discipline, man.
No cry, I want you.
It's your Kohanuma. But a conscious effort and policy, your man. She says, yeah, no, my man did 3 matches in Tours of Morocco. Who did 2 Obabedi back home?
Is the other one the Ababa?
Yes, and for years.
And none of them for so in Ababa.
Today they have over 150 referees.
Oh, Morocco.
Either to Morocco cried a mad referee.
Some passports.
But once again, a deliberate policy. Once the last year can't go there, no. For instance, deliberate policy. Where was the so I must go and call education. No decision. Because be near ma faswa ye be free or minor institution.
When the baby or you all heard them when you cry, every say a sporting game be an arrive by Kyle be a bishop.
Oh yes, sanity.
Quite administrative we went.
Yes.
Barcelona Tino, ya be sanity. No, my ya chichi be a shima and come. Or a big team. We need him maybe how.
That's the point. Oh, they say any in Crawford, they guys go there no share on moi or ebe how mo be families, a Jumani niema. So they say. Now me call Avran Grant I can't send me. Avran Grant says here the oni na wa or Chipolpolo Zambia coach. Or see African Football League near ball near Nankanebe Super Cup sponsors any Europe for say there be a dino because of Sena Europe Super Cup no the ajedi boni
among dano
or say a kwan CAF fast yi teams no enye kwan pa enye no kwan so say omo ye na handpick now share teams so I have form one me problem with it but ade Avran Grant so tia say yenyan ade no baby every ba no edin every FIFA president sa tournament onye CAF dia o FIFA president ni project and all the CAF
sa tournament
yet
enye CAF dia
but see and all modalities be FIFA president angasa ba the general assembly taking place war Abidjan or can say or per se yeah this let's invest in African club competition and or can say a responsibility a task a duty upo say we no omuko shiamu any more skatumbi according kobo and a bow hodum. So then the point was that it must be implemented, and because of that and the akofaba but see and the yenu SCP. So Avran Grant problem say then I say yes Africa yes yabo Ali enokre Ali there yabo Ali obi akra ntimi kasa yabo Mamelodi Sundowns o share from 20 million na dey be consistent
o do to be kasa
enye ba yabo TP Mazembe o kan ko sia 2015 in fact even 2017 omuji Confederation Cup so they say and ti omunye team bia sebe o omunye team fun obeka say yabo wako Morocco last 2 years omunje this year omuko finals Esperance unim ni omo team 2019 na the problem is Horoya e dey na ojanso
some passports
Horoya dey na wachi
Horoya
and okay and you see Avran see the rich will keep getting richer or can't very critical of the Super League or can't clubs like a but o share Horoya I come on fast with Horoya as it's been a CAF in young fact criteria by choosing the teams omo Pedro Atletico go in the same why then
I was on an enco for when you be.
Why?
Kana Omoinibia.
We are going for me. And Nanka I said 24 teams. And there's in 8. And the Simba, Horoya, and Pedro Atletico, Ebeka and Penifona 8. So I've got this question and said, I don't say any criteria to speak now. But it's difficult, sir. You have a competition for the first time. Now you need criteria. Now you're picking Crofobie. A client band the first picking a clubs. And that is what I've got is crazy. And I agree with him. But on TRCS, sir. On TRCS, sir. Ade near here say Yasha here. Ebeko yenim to 24 teams now Mokano because I'm not interested much about Niavram Grantica. The reason is that say your boy yenti say any CAF Champions League no embobra. Yeah bono na your CAF Champions League. So they say enti yeah bo Champions League na your bo Super League no. What they say. Na OTA say Ghanaian club enya $4 million winning the cup. Now ubenya $10.5 million in addition. I don't care about formalities. Formalities will take care of itself. You know what I say? And in your Frank Grant can look but formalities the who hears is here. Adia Ben see in African football. Bibia Sha say be a benya problem. Free as organ ya problem.
Oh yeah.
Coach got still problems anymore. But see. And your Frank Grant ya dawasi. Who is real ni wako abroche ya dawasi. But yeah Africa hano, we need this competition because if a club wins the competition and gets $10.5 million, only my dear $10.5 million by my club no for years and decades. Fanosa Kotoko winning ana Kotoko, Seko Chwanti, Fanosa Kotoko winning Super League. No, I need $10.5 million. Only dear by my Kotoko for years to come. So with time, this competition will get to the level I say, you have the proper structure and a handpick criteria with time. And then yebeko yinim clubs don't start enya sika na omo be win first enya sika na omo say omo makano omo ni bebre. With time we are going to make this competition a quality one. And initially I mean person me worried about criteria anyway who hear me.
First team na born
October 8. Yes.
Na no one pick e.
Why?
I go to go ask you.
Minim answer on the criteria no says I can't criticize it. Criteria no is on my handpick because I didn't just started 20th of October. Yeah, as I said, and many no more hurriedly I pick a high profile kakra and kola kakra. So as time goes on, CAF and Kasabe Transi edit criteria ba. What do I say? See, I nya criteria. CAF di beba. Ni who ye ko in first one no dey ebe ko start. Ba ye ko in number me establish so why be a waji CAF Champions League waji 3 and waji 2 and waji 1 da and now ye qualify. So they say and now say who are OG and saying so say your CAF coefficient 5 years and I'm the pick SCD clubs for the CAF Champions the Confederation Cup competition any Paris no and that's the challenge. So for now the bedding say Ombenya established criteria but at the end so here and the best here October ya benya winner so 10.4 BBG because Ali team Mazembe they are not doing well between Ali WAC Esperance
I'm not going to 10.4 no man Sunday I should how much 4
million
Sunday about we years will be
how much 4 million as CAF Champions League winner say Mochepe happy from 2.5 to $4 million as the prize money for CAF Champions League so enwe you know we so ba we no omo beti mi agi me catch on there before I shall say WAC Ali Esperance
omo ana beji
these three omo 3 no back beji so that's it. So it's very interesting. More time me ko answer.
There can I make kwa could din komo ba me say near man to tom. To tom me kona ma kwa could dis an komo na ba sana. About the coach Roma. The mame he. Be of then peso biza.
Case one. Be do say na critical. Your football ni enim say yasa. O man kan French Football Republic form.
Bishop. Me say na me no ni ekosi sen yo. Ochina. So ko yo buy on you.
Na girl be uni Vicentia Amadou. I don't can Emma Bibufu no. Or ye Togolese top referee already. She's leading African charges to officiate our World Cup.
I'll call
yeah. But or the man that 20 or the Chan. If I want a few ladies, for this I got to know go the Chan. We
can be say even film.
Tio Oba, look, the level is that we remember or the Chan tournament or the World Cup under 20. Togo. Where are the Ghanaian female referees?
I want to say August 7th. I want a FIFA course.
Oh, there be any we know maybe success here. We order than your female. Me say and look, I am very serious.
No, that was who bizarre me say omo Ghana referees.
And me I not me omo has.
That omo August 7th. Omo call a yibi pram.
And watch your lady. Look, to go and officiate men tournament. There's a ban what do pempe so kese pa. What am gonna say? And I'm very proud. And match bia with the bia or baby or bia or ya dear pa.
SOMPA Sports.
Very tough, very firm lady or a no nonsense lady. Abu SMP. But I'm proud. Me, I'm proud of me. I'm very happy for her. So free Togo. Sana Kofi Koja. Free Benin da. Yes. Free Benin. Oh, yeah, some demenka. That's how they name you. I was involved from day one. But for purpose of this, I mean from day one. Yes. Jeffery, time I free fee, master. Time I free fee, you met me a cattle. But
we just watch as you do. Over the agent book.
But we go far.
I was there. You can't.
That's I didn't know. I share no one. This what is she so? What is she?
She said because
oh, she said
after a lot of crowd, absolutely you can't crowd.
But she said about Johnny is my kitchen. I want to say that Reverend Kofi Koja on make a 2 pockets.
Now when it was on their corner, I mean just because no beat immigration.
It was say. Send the panel committee no. And the panel oh no the eagle eyes. She said bibia betu to munata. But ya na you. Say ade na ndu.
Anko.
Ebi ko na anso. And akrofo etu etua kese. What do you say? So, about Sana,
on a more serious note, I'm saying, we shall send an emergency corner here near break a crack. And to coach a me family pen and I may be 1 or 2 and I may draw because